Have you ever felt the rush of the wind through your hair as you effortlessly glide uphill, all thanks to the magic of an electric bike? Or perhaps you've been curious about transforming your trusty two-wheeler into a high-tech e-bike without breaking the bank. Well, gear up, my friends, because today we're diving into the electrifying world of e-bike conversion kits. We're here to explore the top contenders that promise to revamp your ride and supercharge your cycling experience. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a commuting newbie, join me on this journey to discover the best e-bike conversion kit that will have you zipping around with the smallest of efforts and the widest of grins. Bafang BBS2B 48V 750W e-bike motor kit. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Bafang BBS2B 48V 750W e-bike motor kit. This powerhouse of a motor kit is a fan favorite for its robust performance and reliability. Upon testing, I was instantly impressed with the 750W motor that made climbing hills feel like a walk in the park. Its 48V battery ensures a long-lasting ride, perfect for those extended adventures or daily commutes. The installation process was straightforward, with clear instructions that made it a breeze to convert my old mountain bike into a modern e-bike. The kit comes with everything you need, including a mid-drive motor, a speed sensor, and a C965 LCD display that allows you to monitor your speed and battery life with ease. One of the standout features has to be the pedal assist, which seamlessly integrates with your pedaling effort to give you that extra push when needed. It's like having a silent partner who's always ready to lend a hand, or in this case, a leg. Users have raved about the Bafang BBS2B's durability and the smooth ride it provides. I can attest to this, as even after weeks of testing, the performance remained consistent and reliable, making every ride an absolute pleasure. However, it's important to note that while the kit is compatible with a wide range of bicycles, it's best to double-check the specifications to ensure a perfect fit. Overall, the Bafang BBS2B 48V 750W e-bike motor kit is a solid choice that offers a great balance of power and ease of use, making it a worthy start to our top 10 list. 9. EBIKELING Waterproof e-bike Conversion Kit. Number 9 on our list is the EBIKELING Waterproof e-bike Conversion Kit. This kit caught my attention, with its promise of being waterproof, a huge plus for those who brave all weather conditions. I put it to the test on a rainy day, and it performed exceptionally well, living up to its waterproof claims without any hiccups. The kit is versatile and comes in both front and rear wheel options, allowing for customization based on your riding preferences. I opted for the rear wheel kit and found the installation to be simple, with quality components that click together with ease. The LED or LCD display options provide essential information at a glance, and the throttle control gives you the option to ride without pedaling when you just want to cruise. The pedal assist system, with multiple levels of assistance, tailors the ride to your desired effort level. In terms of user experience, the smooth acceleration and the quiet operation of the motor stood out. It's incredibly satisfying to ride without any loud mechanical noise disrupting the peace of your journey. The EBIKELING kit is a great mid-range option that doesn't skimp on features or quality. It's a reliable upgrade that brings new life to old bikes, and based on my time with it, it's clear why it's a popular choice among e-bike enthusiasts. 8. NBPower Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Sailing in at number 8 is the NBPower Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek design of the motor, which is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. During my test rides, the kit delivered impressive torque and speed, making it a thrill-seeker's dream. The kit features a powerful 3000 watts motor and a 48x60/72 volts controller, which means you can customize the power to match your riding style. The installation can be a bit more involved due to the higher power components, but the result is a high-performance e-bike that can tackle just about anything. One of the most exciting aspects of the NBPower kit is the regenerative braking system, which helps recharge the battery while you slow down. It's a feature often found on high-end e-bikes, and it's a game changer for extending your ride. During my time with the kit, I was consistently impressed by its ability to maintain high speeds with ease, and the build quality of the components ensured a smooth and stable ride. The NBPower kit is ideal for those looking to take their cycling to the next level with a high-powered conversion kit. It's a bit of an investment, but for the performance it delivers, it's well worth considering for your e-bike transformation. 7. Editor's Choice. EBIKELING Direct Drive Front or Rear Kit. Claiming the title of Editor's Choice at number 7 is the EBIKELING Direct Drive Front or Rear Kit. This kit stands out for its flexibility, offering both front and rear wheel motor options that cater to various types of riders and bicycles. During my tests, I found the direct drive motor to provide a whisper-quiet ride, which was a delightful contrast to the usual hum of geared motors. The kit includes a pause, pedal assist system, and throttle mode, giving you the freedom to choose how you want to ride. The waterproof design ensures that the kit can withstand the elements, and the durability of the components was evident in the rigorous testing I put them through. The LED display is crisp and easy to read, although I would have loved an LCD option for even more data visibility. One of the highlights was the smoothness of the pedal assist, which felt intuitive and natural. The EBIKELING Direct Drive Kit offers a reliable and efficient way to convert your bike, and it's clear why it's an editor's choice. It's a top-tier kit that delivers quality and performance, making it a standout in the crowded field of e-bike conversion kits. 6. Bafang BBSHD 1000 watts mid-drive motor e-bike conversion kit. And now, at number 6, we have the Bafang BBSHD 1000 watts mid-drive motor e-bike conversion kit with battery. This beast of a kit is for those who want nothing but the best in terms of power and performance. Right out of the box, the quality of the BBSHD kit is apparent. The 1000 watts mid-drive motor is a powerhouse, and during my tests, it provided an exhilarating ride with torque to spare for climbing the steepest of hills. The included battery is a high-capacity unit that promises extended range and durability. It's a significant upgrade that ensures you can ride longer and further without worry. The mid-drive placement of the motor also offers improved balance and handling, which I noticed made a significant difference on tricky terrain. The kit's customizable settings, accessed through the sophisticated display, allow you to fine-tune your riding experience to your exact preferences. The pedal assist system is smooth and responsive, and the throttle option is there for when you want to take a break from pedaling. Throughout my time with the Bafang BBSHD kit, it was clear that this is a premium option for serious e-bike enthusiasts. The performance and build quality are second to none, and it transforms your bike into a true high-performance electric machine. If you're looking for the ultimate in e-bike conversion kits, the Bafang BBSHD should be at the top of your list. It's an investment in your cycling future that pays off with every thrilling ride. Five. NBPower Electric Fat Bike Conversion Kit. Starting strong, the NBPower Electric Fat Bike Conversion Kit is a beast when it comes to powering up those wide wheels. This kit is designed specifically for those who love the stability and traction of fat bikes. I've personally tested this kit on my old mountain bike, and the transformation was nothing short of impressive. The kit comes with a robust 48 volts 1000 watts motor that delivers power smoothly and reliably. The torque it offers makes uphill rides seem effortless, and the top speed it can reach had me zipping through trails with a grin on my face. The installation process was straightforward, and the waterproof connectors make it a durable choice for all weather riders. Users have reported a significant boost in their biking range, with the battery lasting longer than expected. Though it's on the heavier side, the added weight translates to stability, which is crucial when you're tackling uneven terrains. The kit also includes an LCD display that shows battery level, speed, and distance, which I found incredibly useful during my test rides. EBIKELING Geared Front or Rear Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Coming in at number 4, EBIKELING offers a versatile conversion kit that can be installed on either the front or rear wheel of your bike. What makes this kit stand out is the option to choose between a geared or direct drive hub motor. I opted for the geared version for my city bike, and the difference in acceleration and handling was noticeable. This kit is all about customization. You can select from various wheel sizes and power outputs. The one I tested was the 1200 watts model, and it turned my city commutes into an absolute breeze. The pedal assist system worked flawlessly, and I found myself using the bike more often than my car. Users love the quiet operation of the geared motor, and the fact that it doesn't drag when powered off is a huge plus. The included LED or LCD display options are a nice touch, allowing riders to choose based on their preference. The waterproof wiring is a bonus, ensuring that the occasional puddle splash won't cause any issues. NBPower 29-inch rear wheel motor conversion kit. At number 3, we have another entry from NBPower, this time catering to the 29-inch wheel market. The kit's 48 volts 1000 watts motor packs a punch, and having tested it on a variety of terrains, I can vouch for its versatility. It accelerates smoothly and provides a consistent power output that makes long-distance rides much less intimidating. One of the best features of this kit is its compatibility with disc brakes and a 7-speed gear cassette, which I found to be a rare but important detail. During my tests, shifting gears was seamless, and the added regenerative braking feature helped extend the battery life, which is a game changer on longer trips. Users have reported that the installation is a bit more technical than some other kits, but the performance gains are well worth the effort. The inclusion of an LCD display that offers essential ride data adds to the premium feel of this conversion kit. 2 liters faster twist or thumb electric conversion kit. Nestled comfortably at number 2 on our list is the Faster Twist or Thumb Electric Conversion Kit. This kit stands out as a champion of minimalism and efficiency in the e-bike conversion space. During my hands-on experience with this kit, I was struck by how it managed to breathe new life into an old road bike, making it feel rejuvenated with a surge of electric zest. What sets the Faster kit apart is its commitment to offering a user-friendly, lightweight solution to e-bike conversion. You have a choice between a twist or thumb throttle, which allows for a personalized touch to how you control your new electric ride. My test involved the thumb throttle, which felt intuitive and responsive, providing a controlled and enjoyable ride through the city. The 250 watts motor is modest in power, making it an ideal choice for those who are looking for a gentle introduction to electric biking without overwhelming speed or complexity. It's particularly well suited for urban environments, where agility and ease of navigation are key. Despite its smaller size, the motor delivers a consistent push that noticeably flattens out hills and takes the strain off your legs. Installation is a breeze, which is a major selling point for those who aren't mechanically inclined. I found myself pleasantly surprised at how quickly the entire setup came together. The kit provided all the necessary components, without any unnecessary complications. Furthermore, the motor's unobtrusive design maintains the bike's original aesthetic, which can be a significant factor for style-conscious riders. The user feedback for the Faster kit echoes my own sentiments. The lightweight design doesn't add much to the overall weight of the bike, making it easy to handle and transport when not in use. The motor's quiet operation is also a highlight, ensuring a peaceful ride without the distraction of noise. Although the battery capacity is on the lower end, it serves well for daily commutes and charges swiftly, which is a boon for those with a busy lifestyle. 1. EBIKELING Rear Wheel Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Finally, at the top of our list is the EBIKELING Rear Wheel Electric Bike Conversion Kit. This kit is the full package, and during my time with it, I was thoroughly impressed by its performance. The 1200 watts motor is a powerhouse, propelling the bike forward with a vigor that's unmatched by the other kits I've tested. The waterproof design ensures longevity, and the pedal assist sensor makes for a more natural riding experience. I particularly enjoy the throttle override feature, which allows you to get an immediate boost of power when needed. The compatibility with both V-brake and disc brake systems means it fits a wide range of bicycles. Users rave about the value for money this kit offers, with performance that rivals much more expensive setups. The comprehensive LCD display not only tracks your metrics, but also allows for customization of the pedal assist levels, which I found incredibly useful for tailoring my ride to my personal preferences. In conclusion, whether you're a mountain biker looking to conquer steep hills with ease, or a city commuter seeking a sweat-free ride to work, there's an e-bike conversion kit out there for you. Each of these kits offers something unique, and after rigorously testing them, I can confidently say that they live up to their promises. Remember to always consider your needs, bike type, and riding style when choosing a conversion kit. We've just powered through some of the best e-bike conversion kits available, from the reliable workhorse of the Bafang BBS2B to the high-octane thrill of the Bafang BBSHD. Each kit has its unique features and specialties, catering to a range of cyclists and their needs. What's clear is that e-bike technology has never been more accessible, and the joy of cycling has never been more electrifying. Whether you're looking to boost your commute, tackle tougher trails, or simply enjoy the ride a little more, there's a conversion kit out there that's perfect for you. So charge up, strap on your helmet, and get ready to experience the joy of cycling like never before.